What's up guys, it's your boy John, back again with another video. Today we're looking at these Auxbeam LED dual function fog lights. So we're gonna swap into the WRX, see how that goes, and dual colors off of one bulb. That's pretty sick. So let's go check it out. Alright, I don't know how well this is picking up, but you can see the LED chip. There's like an orange and there's a yellow diodes. So that's how you get that dual color. One white and one of that yellowish color. So that's pretty neat. Alright, let me show you guys the dual function. And if you turn it off, turn it on, you get that orange yellowish color. Turn it off, turn it on, you get that white color. And it's pretty bright. Super cool. So to install these, it's really simple. You don't even have to take anything off. You just reach your hand behind this little cover, pull up, and just take it out like that. All right, the big test. Left, this one right here is going to be the Auxbeam, the S2 series, and then this is going to be the dual colors. Ooh. Ooh. Right off the bat, you can definitely tell they change colors. But let me get the ISO down a little bit so y'all can see this. Alright, maybe change the shutter speed. There you go. So let's go do another comparison. It's really dimly lit now. And let's go do the color swaps again. Now, which one's brighter? The S2 is freaking really bright. And judging from the camera, honestly, the other one looks also very bright too. Having that dual color change is awesome. But you know, it's not that JDM yellow, it's more of the halogen. It's in between the halogen yellow and then the JDM yellow. So it's not super yellow, it's more of a like orangey, warm, condensing. I don't know. It's not that JDM yellow. I wish it was a little bit more yellow, but honestly, it still looks pretty cool. It just looks like a very bright fog light. So I just finished washing my car. It's a little bit darker, so you can get a better look at the fog lights. Now the dual chips have been really good. Easy to install, passive cooling, so there's no fans to have it, you know, mechanical things can happen to a mechanical fan, so there's no fan at all, so it's more reliable in that sense. And also, let me just turn it on. Boom. So it's nice and bright white, but if you just want to switch to yellow, you can just turn it off and turn it on. Boom! So now you have the nice halogen yellowish color. It's a nice color. And of course you see my light bar. I have my fog lights and light bar hooked up together. So if you see me rolling down the streets with this, it's a pretty mean setup. But yeah, links below if you want to buy them. It's 50 bucks. Really easy to install, fun, because you know, you get instant results like this where you have two colors now. Pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.